want to show you guys something new that I recently just got sent. I'm very, very grateful and very excited to share with you guys. This is the Essential Lash Kit and it is so pretty. Like, I already opened it because I was like really excited. Let me show you like what's inside here. Of course, the lashes that I think are so pretty. There's 3 different ones, which I'm going to show you in a little bit and then also try it on. And then we have some lash glue that comes with it. Again, we have another lash kit, which is crazy. And then we have like stickers and a pin of the logo, which I think is adorable. We have a couple more items in the kit and it's so cool. We have this little fan with the logo on it as well, and we have these little scissors. This is the beauty toolkit with the travel pouch, which I think is so cool. Let me show you guys. It's actually really nice quality too. Look how cute it is. It's like a nice pouch. It just opens up like this. Like, look how beautiful. Like, wow. Thank you so much, Hannah, for sending me these products. Like, I could not be more grateful and thankful for this. For me, self-care is kind of based off like what makes me feel good, and to me, like, I think getting ready and looking all cute makes me feel a lot better and just more put together. And it's definitely not just like looks, but it's also internally, and it's something I'm working on and I think we can always keep improving on. I'm gonna try these lashes on. In the lash kit, we have 3 lashes. So we have the luscious ones, lived in and light. We have this one, these light ones, and we have this one. These lashes are made for Asian lashes, which I think is so cool, and this brand is an Asian owned brand, which is amazing. I actually never put lashes on before, so I'm hoping that these will be nice and easy. I'm gonna try the light ones on just because I feel like they'll look better and more natural on me, because I've also never tried lashes before, so I'm kind of nervous. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I'm kind of scared. I like watched the tutorial on their website and look at how cool this is. Like, you're supposed to use this to press the lashes together. I don't know if I'm supposed to like put mascara on my natural lashes too, but I think I'll just keep it natural just to see how it goes. This is the lash glue. Okay, so the lashes came off super easy from the packaging and they look super nice. I'm gonna like kind of just put it onto my lashes first to see how long they are. Honestly, I think that's a really perfect length for my eyes, so I'm gonna just try it out and see how it goes. Okay, so the applicator for the lash glue, it's super nice. Okay, wait guys, I think I did it. You see how big my eyeball looks? Like, oh my god, wait, they look so good. From the side, you can really tell how long they are. Wow. They look so good. And they were honestly really easy to put on. Wait, I'm actually in love with these. Okay, let me just put on the other side real quick. Guys, I'm actually obsessed with how my lashes look. Can you like see how beautiful they are? They literally look so seamless. They look so natural, and they're actually very lightweight. I was scared that they might be a little heavy, but they're actually super lightweight. I don't have any discomfort, and they like fit my lashes and my eyes perfectly, and I didn't have to do any of the weird like cutting thing where you only put on like half of it, you know? But this, guys, it looks really natural, and it's so pretty. Just wanted to say thank you so much again for Hannah for sending me these lashes. They're actually so amazing. I hope you guys check it out as well. I'll have the link to their website down below, as well as the lash kit that I got, so you can try them out. And there's so many different lashes that will work for your eye type, so make sure to check them out.